Discover this captivating home combining modern elegance and the tranquility of nature. Nestled at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac, this Lake Oswego retreat offers peaceful privacy with easy access to popular amenities and just steps from Cooks Butte City Park. Head inside to high ceilings, custom built-ins, and brand new hickory floors. The great room opens to treetop views from your expansive east-facing deck. The completely remodeled kitchen features custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a quartz island, and high-end finishes. Just beyond, the deck invites you to savor your morning coffee or unwind for a quiet evening. A private office is perfect for work or creative pursuits. Also on the main level, a serene primary suite opens to the private deck. It's complete with a spa-inspired ensuite bath and a large walk-in closet. Downstairs, discover a generous bonus room with a wet bar, ideal for movie nights and game days. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a custom-designed wine cellar, plus 2 large unfinished spaces offering incredible versatility. From the lower deck, you're surrounded by the same lush, peaceful setting that defines this property. This home of more than 4,400 square feet offers exceptional space and possibilities. A one-of-a-kind home that combines luxury, lifestyle, and nature. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.